Recently, OpenAI updated the iPhone ChatGPT app with a native Safari extension that allows you to send your Safari search queries directly to ChatGPT instead of Google. This is a great feature, but what if you prefer other LLM search engines such as Claude or Perplexity? In this guide, I will show you how to use ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity or any other LLM as your Safari search engine. Let's start by redirecting your Safari searches to ChatGPT as it is the easiest to set up. For this to work, you need the ChatGPT app on your iPhone. If it's not installed, you can click the link in the video description to download and install the app. If it's already installed on your iPhone, update it to the latest version. Now, launch the Safari app on your iPhone and open any website. Tap the menu button in the bottom left corner and then open Manage Extensions Settings. Here, enable the toggle next to ChatGPT Search. First time you search, it will ask to allow this extension. Tap on Always Allow to continue. It might also ask you to log in with your ChatGPT account if you have not already done so in the app. Log in to complete the setup. Once you are done with the setup, when you type a search query into Safari's address bar and hit the Go button, Safari will use ChatGPT to perform the search instead of Google. Let's search and see what happens. As you can see, instead of relying on Google, Safari uses ChatGPT search to provide a compiled search result complete with links to all the sources. And that's how you can use ChatGPT to search in Safari instead of Google. Now, let's see how you can set any other LLM such as Perplexity or Claude as Safari search engines. Since these apps don't offer Safari extensions, we will use a third-party app called Redirect Web to do this. You can find its link in the video description. The app installs a Safari extension that redirects any searches you made in Safari to an LLM search engine of your choice. Let's see how this works. First, we have to enable the Redirect Web extension in Safari as we did for ChatGPT search. But this time, I will show you a different method. To enable the extension, launch the Settings app and now go to Apps, Safari, Extensions, Redirect Web and turn it on. Now that we have enabled the extension in Safari, let's set it up. Launch the app and skip through the setup screens. Now tap the New Rule button in the top right corner. Give it a name in the first field. Since I want to create a redirect rule for using the Perplexity search engine, I will name it Google to Perplexity. In the redirect from field, we will add the text string that matches Google search queries. Don't worry, you don't need to learn it. Simply copy and paste it in the from field. You can find this text string along with all the other string I will use in the written guide linked in the video description. Now change the URL pattern from wildcard to regular expression. Finally, paste the string to the Perplexity search engine in the redirect to field and hit the save button. We have done the setup and are ready to reap the benefits. Launch Safari, type any query and hit the Go button. As you can see, Safari is using the Perplexity search engine instead of Google or ChatGPT. Similarly, you can use Claude as your preferred search engine. You only need to change the redirect to field from Perplexity to Claude. So let's create and see if it works. I will create a new rule and name it Google to Claude. Add the Google search string in the redirect from field. Now, change the URL pattern to regular expression, enter the Claude URL instead of Perplexity and hit save. Let's switch back to Safari and perform the search. It works, but we have to sign in with the Claude account first. Now that I have signed in, you can see that any searches I perform in the Safari address bar are routed to Claude AI. Using the same method, you can use any LLM as your search engine. I have added the redirect to links to several LLMs in the written guide linked in the video description. I will keep updating the guide to add links to more LLMs in future. If there's a specific LLM you would like me to test and add to the list, drop its name in the comments below. Before you go, click on this video next to discover 3 ways to access ChatGPT via Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. I will see you there. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.